Duct tape fixes everything, you know? It just fixes everything. See if that'll work. Good morning, everybody. It is a cold one today. It was a whopping, hold on, you guys are kind of blurry. Is that better? Let me see. Yeah, that's better. It was a whopping, what was it, 15 degrees this morning? Going back behind these buildings here. Machine's in the regen, so it's in a little loud, so we got a little break. So I got this all prettied up. Ooh, it's cold in the shade. All this ground was frozen, so it was kind of rough grading it, but we got it done. All the way down yonder, over where the light is. We didn't go to the light, we went away from the light. Good thing. So what I'm doing is I got my valley here, between that property and here. You can see my hump. So I'm gonna come over here, drag this dirt that way, and all back there. And then I gotta grade all this out where the hydrema is about where I'm gonna stop. Clear all this out right here. Maybe some of them trees, some stuff hanging down. I don't know how much I'm gonna do with the 50 cleaning up them trees, but we'll give it a shot. But yeah, I gotta carry dirt all the way out past that fence line to the orange silk fence you see out there. And then we also gotta come in down over yonder. Got helper guy and Zach moving the fence up right here so we can bring dirt all right there. And the same thing with this fence, it's gonna get moved up there. And then probably be moved back later on in life. But that is a project for a day, part of it at least, unless we get caught doing something else. See, those branches, they gotta come down. They just got to come down. Can't scratch up the machine too much. Dude, I gotta take out that. That's a hose buster for sure. See, you can see all them vines, and I've learned that watching other guys on YouTube. Those vines, they gotta suffocate the tree and it kills it. So that's why I have suggested we just remove them all, because, and they're the only 3 trees in the whole apartment complex. So I don't see why we would need them, or if it's too critical for landscaping. It's like, well, there's only 3 trees. Woo! Sorry about the shakiness. What? bright and it's awesome. It is warmed up at just a hair so we can shed some layers and get some stuff done. But other than the little sticks and stuff, we're all graded out, flowing that way in a little tiny valley at the fence line that's going to flow out to that ditch over there, if I can make that grade happen. And we are gonna keep rolling along. We got Shauna bringing me some dirt. Hi! And I'm just gonna keep shoving it. I think what I'm gonna do is go eat some lunch first, come back, move this gate or this fence, and then start clearing some of that and push the dirt out that way. Yeah. Oh, we got all these fence panels moved, part over there, part over here. Now I'll get to come grub all this out, clean it up, maybe take the ones that are hanging down, get it looking nice for them. You might, who knows, we might not have to pull the trees, and if I do, we might have to do something bigger. Because I can push on that one, it looks like it might fall, but I don't know. But after I get this all grubbed out, loaded out, Zach's gonna bring me some dirt. He's gonna come over here. He's gonna start stacking dirt all the way down. And then I'm gonna sit there and I'm gonna blade it all out. Get it all pushed up in there. And that is the plan. Really just move dirt and get it done. Plenty of fuel left. Yeah, we should be able to get this done. Get these ugly looking branches that are stuck right here, get those out of the way. Get the place looking nice for them, you know? So there's some tree boneyard. Oh, come on. Fine, we'll just do that. That's what we'll do. A big old hole right there. In there. I'm not gonna sit there and fight with that forever. Out. He's brought me a load of dirt. I'm gonna blade this. He's gonna, like I said, he's gonna come stack another one. We're gonna blade it and push it, blade it and push it all the way down. Get this grade to come and match up basically with the bottom of that silt fence. Might go a little higher, but we don't know. So, hey, get out of there. Let's get to dozing. Probably set you guys up out here on a time lapse somewhere. I don't know, probably up yonder somewheres. And you get to watch me do it for free. Okay, I don't know why my phone didn't want to record any of this. Oh, it's getting cold. But we got all this bladed out. I got over here all finished up. I don't know where concrete's gonna be, how high it's gonna be. So this might have to get touched back up later on in life. That's fine. We got all this bladed out. Zach keeps hauling me dirt in right there, and I'm pushing it with the blade. Looks pretty good so far. But that is gonna wrap this up for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did making it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you next time.